Hey guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? Fantastic. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this really pretty unit. This wig is being brought to you guys by Chinalacewig. They sent me this really pretty deep wave unit. And it came in this box. It's such a cute, sleek brown box. So it came with these lashes, these earrings, and these makeup brushes, and I think that's really handy. Thank you guys so much for sending me these, and it's a full lace wig or 360 I believe, and it's so nice. I just love it. I didn't have to do anything but just pop it on my head, pre-plucked it, and they bleached the knots, so it's really easy to style, and I really like how it looks. Okay guys, if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay guys, so I already have my wig cap on and the makeup applied to it, and I'm just going in with this new adhesive that I got from the beauty supply, and I wasn't too fond of it. It was really hard to deal with. It was so sticky and messy, so I'm gonna stick to my bold hold or my ghost bond because no ma'am, no sir. But yeah, so I'm just putting this all over my forehead just to, you know, make sure our lace is looking snatched or whatever, and yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna press that lace in with my comb and my fingers and just make sure everything is melting right and it's looking good. This lace is like perfect for my skin tone. It blended in so well. It gave me the best meltdown. So love that. And I'm showing you guys that this wig is a 360 wig, so you can put it up in a ponytail if you wanted to. Skipping to the baby hairs, I'm starting on slaying them. I'm using my mousse to do so, and I didn't want too much baby hairs. I wanted to do just a few. So yeah, I kind of wanted to keep them simple, so you know, just did some light feathery baby hairs and they came out really cute. Okay, next I'm just taking my hot comb and making sure that the part is looking nice and flat. I feel like the flatter your part is, the more natural your wig will come out. So I'm definitely a big fan of the hot comb. So lastly, I just went in with this kind of curling cream, I guess, from Pantene, and I just put this all through the curls to define them and make them look a lot more lively. I feel like the curl pattern is just too beautiful not to have them defined, so here you guys, I just put that in there. Okay guys, and last but not least, I just went in with some concealer and just put that into my part just to make the part look a little bit more realistic, so I'm just blending that out. And that's pretty much all I did. Super easy, super natural looking. I really love how this hairstyle came out. I love you guys all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Chinalacewig Wigs. Bye. Mwah.
Oh yeah, straight to that money. Oh yeah, we gon' run into the hundreds. Oh yeah, we gon' stack out that money. Oh yeah, tried to tell you the gang, guess you couldn't hear. I jumped in the game with no fear. She set me up, made me say, oh yeah. We sippin' on lean, no bet. Ran like come to my hood.